Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your best curbside deals for the week of January the 18th to the 24th. We are doing these deals through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check to order it. And then we're driving to the store and then picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, alternatively, the kind of shopper that wants to be doing deals in store specifically with register rewards and you want to see what you're buying, I get it. I hear you guys. I have a video from yesterday with the hottest deals for the week of the 18th to the 24th in store. I will link it at the very end, with the exception of Cetaphil. But Cetaphil, those IBOTTA rebates, I believe, have expired and they vanished. So such is life. Let's get into the first hot deal. This one is really fantastic, especially with the cold months that we're in right now. A lot of us got these two boosters, a 7-pack when you spend $35 and a 5-pack when you spend $15. Guess what? These two are in fact stacking. So on a $35 order, you're getting $12 back, which is nothing to sneeze at. The promotion for this one is to buy $20 of Nivea to get back $10. But we have a $35 threshold. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to double this. And then you can also use that Friends 20 to save an additional 20% off. I'm just showing you a mix and match of what I grabbed. Now with Friends 20, that is quite a big chunk of it. So I actually did try to get a mixy match of, I think, about $50 of Nivea. Lots of lotions, heavy on that. Just this time of the year. I don't know if you guys use a lot of lotion, but I certainly do this time of the year, especially when it's like minus 300 every day or really, really cold. I just go through a ton of it. We do in our household. So a lot of these items are on sale for $8, $9. So it's pretty easy to create a basket, but just try to finesse the math. And I'm going to explain it here in a second, why you need a lot of certain items. And then they also have the lip balms that are part of this, and the smaller, you could put them in your purse, the little lotions, this little friend, that are also part of the spend 20 to earn back 10. So just remember that if you don't like what I'm picking out, if you just wanted to go with the lip balms and these, you can even make a basket like that. Now, just to show you, we did have one $2 digital plus $10.10 with Well 20, or additionally you could have used that Friends one, but Well 20 worked perfectly for me. And then just to show you the overall total, again, this one is a little bit. It's $52.44. Subtracting $10.10 with that coupon code, you're at $42.34. So you are well past the $40 threshold for spend 20 to earn back 10, but you have to double it. So boom, you're there. You have to be about $40-ish. That one chintzy $2 coupon, so $42.88 with tax for me. And then not factoring in the tax, I'm getting back $32. So it makes all of that Nivea $10, which is a super deal. Remember, you have to pay with your debit card as you're stacking two boosters, and the promotion for this is to spend 20 to earn back 10, so you have to use your debit card for that as well. But the fact that you can do two promotions and they're stacking, like to spend 40 instead of spending just 20, and it's doubling, this is a really great deal. Again, you're going to have to finesse your basket, but I certainly would if you are in need of lotion. The next deal that we're looking at, again, we're stacking these two friends if you might have it. The 5-pack when you spend 15 and the 7-pack when you spend 35. And I know that a lot of us have had issues in store specifically where digital coupons don't come off, but doing these deals curbside, it's like everything magically happens. So, I mean, I get it and I hear it. So that's why I think a lot of us would rather shop this way along with the little discount codes. So we're going to be grabbing one of these Olay vitamin C's, and there's a $10 digital coupon. Make sure you load that. It's going to make it $19.99, but we're not paying that price point. The 3 Garniers, we have a 5 off 3, and then we're also getting back $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of them. So grab whatever 3 flavors you wish to grab for your basket, or scents, or flavors. You tell me in the comments down below. Is it okay to call these flavors? I'm sure somebody's going to be super uber offended by that. Scents. Okay, and then just to show you guys, we have Garnier coming off, Olay coming off, and then Friends 20. $4 coming off. So that's nothing to sneeze at the power of that. We're all trying to save money. So doing these deals, you know, curbside, you're saving just a smidge bit more. So $43.46, subtracting friends 20, $39.46. So you're still at that $35 threshold. So you're there. So you're going to pay, after all the digital coupons, $26.83. Your tax will be different, whatever state that you're in, and you're getting back $17. So I don't think this is the worst deal. It's like $7.46 for 3 shampoos and 1 fancy lotion. It's like $1.86 per. I mean, that's a really great deal any way you slice the pie, for that beautiful lotion and the 3 shampoos. Deal number 3. Okay, so for this one, we're just looking to grab some Axe products in case you missed this deal last week. We have some very generous 5 off of 2 and 6 off of 2 for either the body wash or the deodorant. So whatever your fancy is. I know that with a lot of the deodorants, there's a lot on clearance right now. So maybe your location, you might get lucky and find a whole bunch on clearance, and this will be closer to free for you. But load the 5 off 2 and the 6 off 2, and you're grabbing 2 body washes and 2 deodorants. I needed a cheap filler, so I went with this little gum for $1.29, pardon me. Alternatively, if you wanted to grab, I know there's a lot of Walgreens $1.99 products like different cleaners or toilet paper. You can throw those in as well if you can't find this or find any clearance candy. And let's look at this chorus line. 5 coming off for Axe, 6 off of 2 for the Axe deodorant, and then WAG 10 taking a mighty 92 cents off. So that is nothing to sneeze at. And then the overall total here is $21.50, WAG 10 92 cents, $11 in manufacturers. So $10.74. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 74 cents. If you alternatively have that weird 5 back when you spend 15, that booster, you'll have to pay with your debit card for the balance to get that $5 back. Just an alternative deal, but I think most of you didn't get the 5 back when you spend 15. But if you did, you'd have to pay debit for the balance if you wanted to do this exact deal. This final deal, I would recommend to do it in store. It's to grab 3 of these DiGiorno pizzas, and they are 2 for $10 this week. So 3 of them. That third one is going to ring up for $15. We don't have any coupon codes or anything that's working with this because it is a sales price. So it's either the pepperoni or there's the one called the Supreme that has like onions and peppers and magic. That was always my favorite when I used to buy this back in the day. I haven't had this pizza in years, but it's really good. So the overall total is $15. Now, if you have that weird booster of spend $15 to earn back $5, you would just pay that $15 out of pocket with your debit card. Alternatively, if you don't, I would just grab 2 and use $10 in Walgreens cash. But if you had the booster, you would get 5 back. So it would be 10 divided by 3, $3.33 per pizza, which is a really great price point. But the balance you'd have to pay with your debit card, credit card, or cash. You could always throw in other register rewards to get the out of pocket a lot less. But if you wanted to stock up your freezer for these cold winter months, this isn't a bad deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.